All right, guys, well, today's a big day for the channel, for Dave Doc DIY, because we got ourselves a 4K camera. Quality is about to go up. This is something I've wanted for a really long time. We were just here at Best Buy and I got this Sony camera for a darn good price, Sony Zv-1. I was going to get the Alpha ZV-E10, which was $800. I saw this guy for $400, watched some reviews on it, and honestly, I'm in the construction field. I don't want to have to worry about the camera too much. $400 is obviously not cheap, but it's also not $800. This thing is going to be going to the jobs with me. It's going to be recording the stuff that I'm doing. So I'm really excited to be taking this next step for my channel. I'm going to film some shots here of the job that I'm going to and show you guys what this camera is capable of, what kind of quality we're going to get, what kind of sound quality, all of that fun stuff. So I'm really excited about this, guys. Let's go. All right, we're changing around these water lines here. Pure mess. Not good. Tough basement to work in, but I'm changing around all the plumbing that this guy did in here. Totally screwed up. As you can see, he did not strap anything and all that fun stuff. So without redoing the whole building, I'm making what he did better. I'll show you it when it's done here. Feeling good about it though.
Now, there's still a lot I need to learn about this camera. As I'm recording this, I've only had the camera for 24 hours. I really did not even look into any settings or anything. I pretty much went to Best Buy, turned the camera on, and hit record on it. I put it on the ISO, automatic, intelligent, whatever setting. This is something that I need to learn, and I love tech, so I'm definitely going to be diving in and learning how to get the most out of this camera. As you can see here, I'm starting to redo all these PEX lines and everything. The way it was done before was just awful. The guy really had no clue what he's doing, so I just wanted to make sure I got everything strapped up nice and tight to the ceilings. Oh god, I'm doing a little dance here, whatever, you know, new camera, gotta have a little bit of fun. A lot of extra wood in this building to get out of the way, to get my pipe strapped up, but everything turned out really nice. And you're gonna see here, the camera died in the middle.
Well, I didn't charge this thing coming out of the store, so my camera died in the middle of me doing that job. As you can see, I'm walking through shadow areas into light areas, and I'm gonna show you what I did down there to clean up all that plumbing. And we're gonna see how this camera looks. This is very exciting for the channel. This is very exciting. Let's go see what we got going on. Okay. We're back in the basement, baby. We're back in the basement. All right, let me show you what I did here to clean this up. All right, here is where I installed our meter, which was on the wall over there, just hanging all over the place. So I have this running all the way through here. Little temporary hose bib right here, and it's coming all the way over through this wall. Electrical tape for strapping PEX, yes, you can do that. It keeps it nice and tight. Now we came out that wall. We have a ball valve here. Rather would just use a ball valve. It was already attached on this side, so I figured, what the heck, I'll use a ball valve instead of a coupling. Come all the way down through here, strap, 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 keep it nice and clean and tight. And then our little manifold that was just hanging on the wall with all these pipes just hanging all over the place. We are all strapped up. Now this is a manifold that the previous plumber, who had no clue what he was doing, put in. I could change this out, but honestly, it's just easier for me to leave it in and have all of my runs nice and cleaned up. It doesn't leak or anything, so I'm just gonna stick with this manifold. Everything runs through, everything's strapped up nice and tight. All right, guys, so that's my preview of the new camera. I'm gonna go home, throw this up on the computer, edit it up, and you're gonna be watching it. You're gonna be watching me talking about what I'm going to be doing in the future. There's a fly on my camera, that's gross. Big upgrade for the channel. I appreciate you guys subscribing, still making that push to 100,000 followers. We're almost there. We're like 13,000 away. We have 87,000, I think, right now, so we're getting there. I appreciate all 87,000 of you. Dave Doc DIY if you're looking for plumbing and DIY tips. Plus, DIY tips with better quality. Hit the follow button. Talk to you guys next time. Hey, pretty girl.
Okay.
Hey, pretty girl.
Why don't you do it again?
A little test video here. Daddy got a new camera.
Good.
You think it looks good? What do you think? You think it's good?
Yeah.
What's going on at the door over there? Elle, just stay there.
Daddy, wait till you build.
Right, now watch this.